Hey, my name is Isaac Melusi. I had a privilege also to get these videos about Bible Project. We are using it on my Bible study. Read each and every book, and then we will allow someone who will do the presentation, and then we discuss together. So when you're going alone in that video, when you are that person who's doing the presentation, it is easy for you when you are given that task to present because there's a lot of information in a short space of time in those videos. I've been reading on my own alone. I've been reading the Bible for a long time, but I think there was a lot of information that was missing. It's only when I have came across the Bible Project where I was able to get the good insights and the information that I think I always needed. I can advise that these videos, English and isiZulu, can be referred to as many people as it can because it's very helpful. It was very helpful for me. Yeah.